Teddy is a very lucky puppy because we went to PetSmart today to pick out a new harness for him. So when we go on walks, he doesn't pull on his leash as much. And of course, while we're there, we had to pick out a couple of toys because Christmas is coming up. But he got one toy early. What'd you get, Peppa? What is this? Well, so much for showing, but it's a Tuffy toy.
The world's toughest toy. Supposedly.
Supposedly. So we'll see how long it takes for Teddy to tear it apart. But for now, he's more interested in the garbage that comes. The tickle garbage.
The key word we're trying to show is this: nothing is indestructible. And I think he's going to really test that.
Oh yeah. You can see a nice little, oh yes, puppy. The ruins and remains of past toys' lives with the stuffing all over our floor. Baba.
So the question is, how many days will it take Teddy to eat this frog? Here he is right now. He's looking pretty good. He's looking pretty healthy. Just a little wet.
Ew. More interested in the cardboard. It's like covered in like slimy wet dog spit. That's nice, Teddy. Teddy. You more interested in your frog toy? Teddy. Baba. Oh, what's Mama got? Okay. Hi, puppy. Hi, my name is Lori, and I'm here with my 9-month-old Golden Retriever puppy, Teddy, and we are opening up day 12 of Teddy's advent calendars. We're halfway done, Teddy. That's exciting, huh? We're gonna go ahead and start off with Aldi for his salmon and sweet potato treats. He's a little bit busy, preoccupied right now. Teddy. Teddy, you want treats? No, he just wants this frog. That's all he cares about. Here, babe. Oh, you got your little fish-shaped treats. You let me open them? You sit? Okay, good boy. Thank you for your hot puppy breath. That's so sweet. Yeah, oh. Okay, good boy. Good boy. These ones smell kind of fishy today. Good boy. Okay, was that good? Huh? You want to open up your Costco one next? Let's do Costco. Yeah, let's do Costco next. Okay, yeah, we're done with Aldi. Aldi is done. Okay, let's do your Costco. Good boy. Ooh, more of the treats that you like. So these are more beef jerky ones. I really, really likes these ones. Thank you. You drooled all over me. Thank you. That's nice. Is that good? That's some good stuff, huh, Teddy? Okay, we're gonna save those though. We're gonna spread them out throughout the day, okay? Yeah, you can't be a little picky and have all the treats all at once. Okay, Pop. Now, we're gonna open up your PetSmart one, day 12. Teddy, first day of Christmas, Teddy gave to me a slobbery kiss. Okay, Poppy. Ooh, you got your little nuggets. Good boy. Okay, last one, and then we're done for today. Yeah, good job. Okay. Let's work off all those calories with some chew time with your quote-unquote indestructible toy. Huh, Pop? Reese's. Huh? Reese's. 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 Good boy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We're posting new videos every day up until Christmas. Merry Christmas.